You already know. I wake up ready to go, ready to golf. Except when I'm golfing, well, we're working on a golf project. And might I just add how nice it is to actually do that in my own bed? Yeah, it's really nice. So I have this project that I've been wanting to work on, but I just have been so busy, and I don't know why I decided to do it on a weekend that's 100 degrees. Why? Why not? That is the question. Why freaking not? I'm gonna head over to Home Depot and yeah, just gonna go right into it. Let me just tell you, choosing the right pebbles is actually a really hard decision, but let me give you the trick to it. What I ended up doing was just looking at what's cheapest-ish. Alright, we are all saddled up. I don't know why I was just today is the day that I'm gonna die. Alright, so I've moved into this place probably about a year ago, and I've been wanting to do the backyard, which I've just slowly been doing it, but it's nothing's really been done. Alright, this is the before. Excuse me. It just looks you can't really see because this here and this and that, but you get the idea. So I'm not really sure what's the next step. I took all the weeds out, the leaves. Do I want to do the mat first or the pebbles? Maybe the golf mat will be the last thing, because that's unrolling it. It's going to be really satisfying. So maybe I'll do the pebbles first. At least we have some natural undulations in the green. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Did I mention these bags are 40 pounds? This is gonna be fun. Okay, 5 more. The good news is that it's 97 degrees and the weather is beginning to cool down. do you think? Oh, all right. I think she likes it. These out and then put pebbles underneath them, or do I just put the pebbles around them here? I have no idea, but I think I'm gonna try to just put the pebbles around them first and then see what it looks like. I don't know. This is about experimenting, you know. This is a do-it-yourself, you know. So let's see how it'll look. Here's a final product. Midnight here's gonna give us a tour. I mean, this is pretty good. Right, Midnight? So I put my little chipping mat there. And there's chipping green. What do you guys think? Also, do you think I should put like a bamboo fencing right there and cover that fence, or nah, it's fine? Midnight's ready for her morning coffee, huh? Pretty good to just wake up in the morning, come out here and roll a few putts and enjoy my coffee. Let's not forget about my little munchkin. If you have any ideas on what I can do for the fence, list it down below because I've got no clue. Give the camera kisses.